Back to the business, I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve Yeshua, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah, this heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking the day we can see them. The one to get freedom to walk, 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 walk.
What is good?
Walk, walk, walk.
Yeah.
I walk, walk,
I walk.
Walk, 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 walk.
Back to business.
We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
Yeah. What up, chat? What up, what up? Welcome in. Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you're well. W. What is good? What up, Connor FX? I see ya. Wall Street Sniper in the house. What up, Christian? Hey, yo, check out Motion. Woki in the building. What up, Christian? What up, Woki? What up, 3 Ants? What's good, Bucky? Bucky Peters in the building. Ewan in the house. What up, Ewan? What up, Z Gamer? What's good? What's good? What's up, Ava? What up, Bear Billa? Bear Billa. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Ecom Dre in the house. Long time no see. Long time no see. What is good? What is good? Happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing well. Yes, OGH in the house. What up, OGH? What up, YOLO Trader? Good morning, Alexandros. Big Blessings is in the house today. What up, Big Blessings? Yeah. Sounds like, yeah, Big Blessings, man. Well, Who else welcomes big blessings everywhere we go, eh? Praise God, man. Praise God. Yeah. What up, Jason C? What up, Sai? Sai in the house. I like that. I like that new. Is that a new emblem? It's like a new haircut. What up, Tony Gold? What up, Wiz Balam? I'm amazing, bro. How are you? Fantastic, my man. Fantastic. Feeling good. Feeling good. What up, Pitbull? We got some clever names, man. We got some clever names. Clinks, good to see you, brother. What up, Zyper? Good morning, Xander. What's good, bro? What's up, Ty Hill? Ty Hill in the building. What up, Ty Hill? Ty Hill, that just sounds like a strong... You a football player? You play football, Ty Hill? George VDM is in the building. What up, George? What up, Carolina? What's up, everyone? Gold is just... tick, 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 boom. Just goner. It is high, it is far, it is gone. What up, C. Melly? All the 8-figure traders are here today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, yo, what's up, Anthony? How y'all doing, man? Let me set Zoom up real quick, and we will get the party started. There we go. Louis G is in the building. His last name is a G for no reason, trust me. Sup, Louis G? Sup? All right, let me send the Zoom link and get all that started, and we'll rock and roll here today. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Talk to me, chat. Talk to me. One word to describe how you're doing. Remember, you are a mirror to what you put out. How you feeling, man? How you feeling? All right, Zoom link is good. We good? Zoom link's out. Whoa, these are some bright words. Whoa. These are the words I'm teaching my children. These words right here. Okay, I think we're good. Zoom's out. Let's do this. Boom. Okay. Glorious. I like it. I like it. I like it. Disciplined, blessed. I dig it. Great. Fantastic. Phenomenal. These are words that my 3-year-old is learning. Worthy, grateful. Let's pray. We are going to pray, my friend. Let's go ahead and pray. Let's give thanks for all the blessings that we have, man. We honor the Lord on this YouTube channel. I don't know how you feel about that, nor do I care how you feel about it, really. God has been so good, and we're just going to give thanks because I'm just in a super duper state of gratitude as always, and just give thanks for you guys and all the blessings that we've really kind of received over the last couple weeks and couple months. So let's just pray real quick, and then we'll rock and roll. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you that we can gather in your name. We thank you that when 2 or more gather, Lord, that you are there. So we thank you for your presence. We thank you for the overwhelming, never-ending, above and beyond blessings that you're pouring down on this community, Lord. We thank you that your spirit dwells amongst us. I pray for each individual heart, Lord, and soul today, Lord, that you would touch them, that you would bless them. Let them know that you're there. This is a word of encouragement from the Lord. Let them know that, Lord, this is not done without you, for I cannot do this on my own, Lord, but you direct my steps, and we thank you for it. We thank you for the blessings that are taking place all over the world because of your plan, Lord. We thank you for it. It's an honor to be here, to step in these shoes and to fill this mission, Lord. We thank you for it. We thank you for the workers that are coming. We know that the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few, Lord. So we pray that you would just send more workers, more dedicated, committed individuals to their future and to the kingdom, Lord. We thank you for doing the work amongst us. And Lord, we just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Big blessings to you guys. Praying for all of you, even the ones that kind of come here and don't really like what we do. I'm praying for you too, my friend. Praying for you and your family, and we're gonna have a great day. It's going to be a great weekend, and let's get the party started, eh? Let's do it. So today is the 18th. It is Friday. It is the 18th of October, and it should be a pretty chill day. You know, gold just doing gold things, and we're just gonna do our thing, you know. And it's the 18th. Not much happening today. You know, you got these two one orange folder, one yellow, building permits, housing stats, little some, but we're all good. We're gonna kind of follow price action here today. Today's probably gonna be a very chill day for me, to be honest. Kicking back, chilling, Friday price action, gold juicing. I'm just here for a good time. So let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals. Let's see what we can come up with here today. See if we can find any good positions, and see what we can do, man. So if you haven't liked the stream, now would be the time for you to do me a favor and give the stream a like. And if you're not subbed to the channel, you already know. All right, let's go over to the technicals here. Let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's take a look at what we got going on here on gold, beginning here on this lovely daily time frame. So let's track back. Let's talk about a few things on the daily. We know that we are really just moving on up, man. Like the Jeffersons, we're moving on up, right? We're just moving on up here on gold. We just continue to make these higher highs, you know, higher lows, and just continuing to play the bull rally game here. So we've definitely been on a bullish rally this week. As we can see, you know, if we focus on, you know, more so the current price action over the last like week or two, we see that we kind of came up, we formed resistance, right? We came down here, we created a new support, and you know, we just basically struggled after that for like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 days. And then we finally got this candle to close pretty strong, and you know, the next one was kind of a dud there, right? So after that candle closure, next candle ends up closing bullish, creating this pretty strong support, right? So we had this basically this new high, right, that's been formed. If we look left, there's the other high, and we went pushed up, and you know, that bank holiday, which was Monday, gold threw out a bearish closure on the daily time frame here. So what it was looking like was, it was actually looking like maybe price can push down, right? Because if we forget about this for a moment, right, if we just get rid of all this, right, you would think maybe, hey, price action is stating that we are making this, right, high, and then another a lower high, and then potentially a lower high here, right? And you would expect, you know, according to technicals, that maybe we would wick up and then begin to fill the range here, right? But if we look left, what seemed to be the problem here was this support right here. Because if we get rid of everything now, we'll notice that that next candle tapped into that support and could not push through it, right? So we could not push through the support. We ended up rejecting off of it, and then literally just going on a rally here. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now this is Friday here. No bottom wick on the daily candle, just absolute juice box here. So gold hasn't been throwing any wicks here at all today. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. We've just been rallying here as well, right? Haven't had a support since way down here. This is our nearest support here on gold. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish candles in a row. We were sitting here in London, and we were like, there's no doubt that the next candle today can just juice up, right? Even when it looked like we couldn't juice up anymore. We 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candles in a row. This guy closed with no top wick. Look at this dude, just goner, right? Just goner. So gold is really rallying here today, and really this week. So let's take a look. We got the 4 hour just looking like it's ready to explode. Straight up looking like this is a celery play, ready to absolutely just blast off. So will that happen on the 4 hour? We'll see. You got the highs here. If you break those highs, you're most likely gone here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to create some sort of resistance here, right? So I'm not really interested in buys here. If we can kind of come down, retest support, do some sort of like a fake out, you know, and then create a new support, meaning like all of a sudden candles come down like this, right? We create this clean range, price kind of rejects these areas, then maybe, you know, we get a support or something like that, and then I would look to take my buys there, right? So take my buys on this candle to come back up, retest the highs. Other than that, it's tough, you know, to take the buys up here because we got nothing to the left hand side. So in order to take sells, probably gonna look for range 2 sells below here. Really not trying to take sells here today unless they're range 2, meaning we need some sort of a closure below this support and then like a break and retest before we come down, right? We got clean traffic to the left, but I'm gonna need that break and retest here today. I am not trying to get in the way of the bull here on this lovely Friday. So that is that's what I'm looking at here today. So potential buys right down here by like 27.17. If we can get below there and throw some sort of a range 2 type of play, then I do like sells below there. Other than that, you know, just gonna sit tight, wait on support, and if the buys look good, we'll take the buys back up. Cool. That is it. That is it. Happy Friday. That is the job. Job done. Now we just wait. Yeah. How you guys doing? You guys taking any? Did you guys take any trades today? Anybody? We were hunting in London. What up, C. Melly? What's up, Tyrone? Tyrone, what's good, man? What's good? The Don is in the house. What's up, the Don? Yeah, so that's it, man. That's it. What did you guys do today? Anyone take trades? Oh yeah, look at this. No bottom wick here. Interesting. Yeah, you might be able to wait for range 2 sells below here on the 15 if you like this zone here. Yeah, it's actually a 50 pip zone. It's much bigger than I actually thought. So for a second I thought that this range here was only 30 pips, but it's 100. So yeah, yeah, you got some support over here. I think if you can close below there, now that you have a bullish candle, if you can maybe close below on the 15 or 30, I think it's not bad. Yeah, ideally sells below here would be perfect. Yeah, you got a nice clean range coming down. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. And then maybe we take buys from down here. Or maybe we take buys from down here. You know, we don't know. So definitely not going to take buys up here. London GJ sell. Nice, nice. What up, bands? Count it up. My man. How are you, brother? Only watching, no trade. Yeah, that might be my vibe here today, too. That might be my vibe here. The XFA is flatlined, so XFA is done. Yeah, you know, I didn't realize the whole like trailing drawdown stuff, so that's where it nipped me. But I'm happy with everything I did on that account. You know, from the combine to the XFA. Maybe I went a little bit bigger in size, which is all right. But yeah, this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna do it bigger. I'm gonna do it better, and I'm gonna do it smarter. So I'm gonna take my experience from the last round, and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna take this so serious. I actually hooked up 5 accounts on a copy trader. So we're gonna max this out. We're gonna treat it extremely serious, and yeah, we'll take the lessons from the other accounts and we'll apply it here. And again, we'll do it bigger, we'll do it better, and we'll only learn and grow from it. Eat it. 2%. That's nothing, man. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. What's up, Dower? How are you, man? How are ya? Good to see ya. How you been? How you been? Got a lot of volume in the pound. Yeah, the pound has CPI this week too, so yeah, that's probably. Yes, this is the game. You know what I mean? This is how the game goes sometimes. So I don't think there was anything wrong with, I look back at all the trades, I think they were all money. I think every single one of them was money. I think there was 4 of them, 4 big ones that I went full risk on that literally just tapped us in, like by 1 pip. 1 pip. So ran into a couple little unfortunate probabilities there, but hey, it is what it is. This is the game, right? This is the game we play. It's going to be ups, it's going to be downs. You got to make sure you stay composed, positive, and continue to make 8-figure decisions. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think, yeah, we 1 pip nick on 1 pip nick on that account, man. The quality of the stream, it seems like it's in excellent condition. Excellent condition. Excelente. Oh, no music on Zoom? Ah, man, why don't y'all say, oh my God, Zoom. Holy. What up? It's good. Oh, wow, amen's in the chat. Praise God. Good morning, everyone. Yo. It's good. How to save the templates? Yeah, you just go right click, go to settings, and then you see over here, templates. Just come down and just add, like, first make it and then just kind of like add it. I am no longer a forex trader. I don't know. You tell me. I just trade candles. I'm not sure if it's forex, borex, morex, torex, futures. All I know is I see candles. I see candles. What up, Yanosh? Yeah, Travis, yeah, this support over here. Yeah, you see how we keep like rejecting it? So I figure we just put it there. The market's really got to convince me today. Most likely gonna chill here today. I got five accounts, 550K combines, and I'm about to go in what they call sicko mode. Gonna be very focused on this build. Always tend to sell at all-time high, and then all-time high always tends to just continue making all-time highs, right? Yo, gold's dangerous, bro. It's dangerous. Clubhouse lit. Man, London was so awesome last night. Asian session was really good. We had a great conversation there in Asian. Really good talks, man. Good conversation in London as well. No trades, but price kept running up here with no wicks today. Running down and running up with no wicks. Look at this. Don't. Yeah. How do you join the clubhouse? Just hit ! Clubhouse. The link will pop up for you. Yeah, this weekend webinar, we are going to recap what we spoke about last week when it comes to goal setting. So if you guys this weekend bring some notes, bring some good questions. If you guys need further insight, if you want examples of, you know, some of what I do, some of what, you know, friends of mine do, mentors do, we could chop it up, talk about all that. One of the most important pieces of the puzzle is really understanding what you want, right? And what you're willing to render for it. So that those goals are very, very important. I know sometimes you want to focus on the like the I don't know, like the technicals of life, right? But sometimes you just got to get a dream. You just got to get some goals and get to work. I think on the next webinar, we're going to talk about habits. I want to have a conversation with you all about a philosophy that my mentor lives by, and it's called CORE, and he talks about it all the time. He calls them the 9 core steps, and these are just habits, non-negotiables that I think can really take your mindset and your money to the next level if you start applying these type of things in your life. Oh, what's this? We got to add? Holy. We got to add. This track's been on for a minute, a couple hours. What do I think of news today? I think it's pretty light. I don't really think much of it. I don't think it'll affect price too much. Gold is just up and away here. Just gone. Going. It is high, it is far. It is gone. First, I changed my personal habits, then my trading habits. I like that. W, my friend. Proud of you, man. Your growth has been incredible. It's really good to see. 100K subs. Word. If you guys aren't sub to the channel, sub to the channel. Tell your friends. You know, your friends that you think, well, you know, they probably won't want to be on this channel. What would they think if they heard me listen to the guy that's talking about reading and dreaming? I bet you it sparks a fire in them too, man. Put them on. The top step trailing drawdown, yeah, that's what got me. Yup. I only had whatever it was, 3,900 or something to play with there. Yeah, because I was up like 15, and I forgot that it tracks up and it kind of moves with you. So all good. Take the lesson and move on. Remember, every adversity comes with what? Nothing? No. What does adversity come with? A seed of an equal or what? Greater benefit. An equal or greater benefit, right? So I don't know. Seemed like a little adversity to me. I'm excited, right? Like I said, we're going to do it bigger. We're going to do it better. We're going to do it smarter. And we're going to create a little bit more long-term longevity out of it this time. I'm not going to go as big and use the size. I'm going to just swing for the base hits. Base hits every day. Do what I do. How high do I think gold can go? Higher than Snoop Dogg's ever been. You know who Snoop Dogg is? Gold get higher than him. Trust me. Holy moly. Everyone knows who Snoop Dogg is. That's right. That's right, Daniel. So, oh yeah, there you go, C-Mel. Yeah, C-Mel, you were right. You were right. It will be. We're in outer space, man. Hey, it's good to be back on YouTube bright and early. You guys will see me on here a little bit more earlier. Back to regular schedule. Clubhouse is being fine-tuned. There's some absolute studs coming on in the Clubhouse. It's really, really good to see. Pip and dip, that's right. What's up, Shelly? What up, what up? see if I tune my schedule up right, which I did today, then I'm game. I'm game. This is what my schedule is right now. Let me tell you guys my schedule. So every day I wake up, let's actually begin at night. So I go to bed around 11, right? 11 p.m. Wake back up at like 12:40 a.m. So that's about an hour 40. Stream the London session. Go back to sleep from about 4:30 to like 7:15, 7:30. So that's like what, like 2.5, 3 hours? And then stay up all day. All day long. So what I'm planning on doing is finding a sweet spot. And I'm gonna work to get like 5 hours of straight sleep, because all my sleep, it gets interrupted quickly, right? So I can't get into a deep sleep, basically. And not that I need it, right? Because I'm ready to go regardless. But I think this will be much better for me and much better for the YouTube schedule as well. Yeah, 5 hours, I'm good for the day. Some of y'all need 8 hours, but you still wake up tired. What's up with that? What's up with it? I have sleep apnea. Is that why you're in London all the time now? Wide awake? Oh, actually, no. It's nighttime for you now, right? Yeah. What am I saying? I need more sleep. The sleep I do get is quality, though. Sometimes you got to run on the strength of the Lord, right? Until he says, you know what, my son, well done. Well done. I'll iron out the schedule for you now. Way to commit. Way to commit. So that's what the Lord's speaking to me now, and feels good. It's hard to sleep, man. It's hard to sleep. You know, I was reading just a random message that I got yesterday. Just one of the top messages in my inbox, and it's very difficult to sleep when you see the impact that's being taken place all over the world. Not just here in Florida, not just in my hometown, not just in my friends' circle, but all over the world. It's very difficult to stay still. It's very difficult to sleep when you know that you're living out your purpose and people are being impacted. They're receiving the message, they're acting on it, and they're winning because of it. So I can surrender some sleep. If I could serve people 24/7, I probably would. But I need a couple hours of sleep, you know, a few hours. Yes. I'll take a trade and fall asleep. Hey, no, hero of the day already got something for that. So anytime I'm getting sleepy, this is my new alarm clock. Be aware there is 1 or 2 curses on here, but you know, don't send me any letters or anything like that. It's a-okay. Just cover your ears with like 1 curse. But if I get tired, this is what I'm hitting. Bring it. Bring the energy. Yes. Go.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Hey. Stop playing. Stop playing. Look at this guy. I love this guy. Come on. How do you get... How are you tired watching this dude?
Gotta wake up.
Come on.
Gotta wake up, bitch. Get up.
Let's go. I don't want to hear none of you guys being sleepy.
Get up.
No excuse will do. Get up. Get up. Get up. Oh, man. I had no idea who this guy is, but apparently 39 million people have viewed that video. 39 million people have viewed that video. That guy is my type of vibe right there, man. Wake up. Yo. We got to get him on the show, man. We got to get him on here. Yeah, imagine a new one coming on right now. Time to eat trading. I wonder what they're all about. Okay, next stream.
Get up, get up!
Get up. Hey, we're just trying to tell him wake up, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna follow this guy. What's up, Pablo? Good to see you, man. Good morning. Apparently, yeah, 39 million people, 1.7 million people liked it. Damn, that's messed up. 37 million people didn't like the video. Did you look at that?
You look at this.
Unbelievable. What do you do if you take a trade and just about to adjust stop loss and trade jumps against you? Yeah, those are some unfortunate situations sometimes. That happened to me the other day, and I actually won the trade. So you gotta figure something out on the fly at that point. He only has 2 million followers? No way. Wow. That's impressive. 39 million views, 2.5 million followers. Hey, who's coming to the TTE meetup here in Tampa next week, man? I'm excited. Excited to have you guys in town. Excited to meet up. Excited to do a few things. Hang out, shoot some golf, shoot some guns. It's going to be a good time. Gonna be a good time. What's up, Chala? Good to see you, homie. It's my homie right there, Chala. Chala, the big homie. Where's the link to the video? I'll send it to you guys. Hold on. There you go. A couple of you guys are driving up, man. We got people flying in from like out of the country. That's wild. It's dedication. Bands, you coming? Holy. Oh, wow. Nice. Yeah, a few of you guys are coming. Driving up, huh? Lit. Chala, you coming? If we get 555 likes, I'm gonna fly Chala out to Tampa, Florida, all the way from India. Actually, George VDM's gonna pay because he lost a bet last night. George VDM owe me a little 600. I said I want it, man, and I want it now. Xander got him. Xander's gonna hold him down. Xander, you're gonna hold George down real quick, right? Just hold him down with something. He'll pay you back next Friday. Yeah, so the 3 purple lines, I'm sorry guys. So this one's gonna be gray. So basically this one I just have marked off as a resistance level. This one I'm open to taking sells below. So if we get a candle that ends up, let's say, closing below the range, then I might be interested. Like, it would have to do some sort of range 2 here, meaning like if price comes down and retest the high and like then closes, let's say we do some sort of like a fake out here, right, where you get something like this and maybe the next candle closes bearish, right, like this, then I might be open to taking these sells, coming down, maybe going break even or closing partials around here, and then just letting it run. So that's what I'm open to. Other than that, sells are a little looking clean below this level here. This is probably the cleanest range of the day. So ideally, I'd like to take my sell positions down here if we get down there. Yeah. Basically, it's a no trade range for me. No trade range, and even like up here, it's just a no trade range. Not that price won't juice up or anything, it's just doesn't interest me today. This is your all-time high there, so we got nothing to the left to really go off of. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, the only other example I would say is scratch this and scratch this, and let's say that this candle here ends up closing above the range, then I'd be open to potentially taking buys now from down here. So you see how the buys are here right now? I don't want to take these buys. But if we do get a support to form down here, then I'm open to taking these buys to retest the high here. And that's about it. Those are like the two trades I'm open to taking today. Buys all support or range 2 breakouts for sells. Available tickets? Available tickets for what? The meetup? Meetup? Yeah, the meetup, all you have to do, I think you could hit exclamation point meetup, and you don't have to register. We're trying to do that for a head count, but if you want to RSVP, just so we know, like, you know, around how many people we got coming, then you can do that on the link. If not, just, yeah, actually RSVP, so that way we can send you the location and all that. Yeah, there you go. There's the link. Yeah, hey, gang, if you're coming, make sure you RSVP, so that way you get the email with the location and the time and all that good stuff. Georgie's buying. Georgie's buying. He's buying. Oh, nice, bands. Yeah, pull up, bro. I'd love to get a chance to chill, hang out. We're gonna be there for like 5 hours, so we're probably gonna be chilling from like 4 p.m. up until whenever, really. Yeah, it's gonna be at a nice spot too. Open area. I think there's some festivals going on too, like right in that area. I remember the only reason I know about that area is because last year we went to this like little carnival, like Oktoberfest carnival type of deal down there. So I think that might be going on while we're there. I'm not too sure, but yeah. Yeah, pull up, man. Pull up. What up, Sleepy Hot Dog? You guys have some great names, man. You really do. Pull up on me. Yeah, next meetup has got to be Greece, man. Gotta be. I know I said London, man, but damn. Sorry. I'm sorry. I think I'm convinced. I need to go see my boy Alexandros, man. We've got to hit a workout. Yo, we'll rent them all. Give us the whole fleet. Gang, you know it's so fun to go places with a big crew and you just take over. You just take over. You roll deep. Man, that's why I always love hanging out with my mentor. When I roll with him, when he's with the squad, man, it's like 40 deep sometimes. Sell? No. Nope. Not for me. We are very bullish here. Very bullish. My sells have to be range 2 sells below these levels here. Yeah, sells for me would take place in the green zone, which is these areas. What up, Dominic? Good to see you, man. How you feeling, bro? You awake? You up now? Yeah, I didn't even go to bed today. I just went and worked out, had a good sauna sesh. Did a little personal development. Benjamin, how we doing, man? So funny. I catch up on sleep on the weekends. I usually wake up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's me sleeping in a little bit, pretty much. I think like every now and then, like once a month, once every 2 months, I'll just like sleep in until I'm fully rested. But man, I don't know. Just a lot to do. A lot to do. What about for a buy? A buy, I would like to see price come down a little bit and like do something like we seen here, only a little bit lower, like come down, you know, and then kind of close back above and then take the buys back up. Yeah, even if we could push down like into this zone here, that'd be great. Just a straight plow through some of this range, right? And then you have this candle here, and then maybe you just come down right here, right? Now what we've done is we've created a new range. So if you get a, like, let's say a candle now to close above the zone, looking like this, now we can look to take our buys moving up. Because now we have clean range to the left-hand side and room to drive, right? And if volume's coming in around that time as well, that'll be lovely. All right, trade would look something like this. Just like that. Comics open. It's coming up. Oh, it just happened 4 minutes ago. If it breaks the resistance, I let it go. Yeah. I'll let it go to wherever it would like. Once it comes down to create support, then I'll look for buys. Mohammed, how are you, my friend? Hey, love you too, man. Seriously. Love you too, bro. Love all y'all. You guys are out here paying the fee, paying the price of success. You know what I mean? Sometimes you don't see the results right away. Actually, not sometimes, almost every time. You know, you're not going to see results in your journey for quite a bit. It's going to be very discouraging. It's going to be very heartbreaking at times, but you got to push through it. You got to push through it, man. Every single successful entrepreneur I've ever spoke to, I've ever asked questions to, they've all dealt with the same stuff. Dream, struggle, victory. They seen where they wanted to go. They laid out a plan to get there. They struggled their way through it, but after the struggle came victory, because through the struggle is where you learn the lessons, right? That's where you learn the game. So you have to pay the fee, right, to be successful in life. So are you willing to pay it? If not, you'll work for somebody else's dream and you'll build theirs. They'll hire you to build theirs. And that's okay. That's okay as well. But you got to figure out which one you want to be. And if you're going to be the first one, then you can't falter. You can't grow weary in well-doing. Right? Word says don't grow weary in well-doing, for in due season you'll reap that reward, right? The harvest is there for you. Just got to keep pushing. A lot of you guys are in a season of waiting, and you're trying to get away from that season, but God's got you in that season for a reason, right? Those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength, shall mount up with wings like eagles, right? They shall run and not grow weary, not faint. You're being prepared for greatness, G. Push through. You got to push through. Remember, in your weakness, that's where his strength is. Trying to do too much. Get the likes up for Chala. W, boys. W. Trader next door. Congratulations. Passing your funded account, man. Big W. Big W. Big W. All-time highs type of stuff. Yep. Dum, dum. Cholo, what kind of tea we sipping on today? Another crack at the door. Yep. So history has been made once again here on the Time to Eat YouTube live stream. Tea time, bro. Yo, it might be time to book something for the afternoon. Had lunch already, but still ready. Yeah, I like it. Bye now. Some of y'all are like, wait, was that the buy signal or? Oh man. Shout out to all the 8-figure traders, man, out here thinking independently. Can I share my journal? Yeah, hit a ! journal in the chat and it'll pop up. The link will pop up for you. Giveaway? Yeah, side plus more, you get an account, man. 25K account. Message that guy TK on Discord and just answer his questions and you'll have the account in your email. Just give it a couple hours. Yeah, there you go, journal. Yep, there you go. So no wick at the top. I'm staying away from these sells here though today. Yep, unless we're down here. So yeah, unless we come down, create support, it's not for me. I got you, side plus. Let me get a side plus more. Like, come on, like, how do you come up with that name? Side plus more? Like, how do you even think of that? Like, let me get a side plus more. That's the way I kind of read that. I've seen more no wicks today than any other day. Yeah, dude. It's been wild. Yup. I feel like every big major closure had no wicks. We were getting ready to take buys here, London, no wick. We were getting ready to take buys here in London, no wick. Yeah, it's been brutal. There was I think there was there one more? Yeah, I think there was one more somewhere. Yeah, these sells here. I think some of you guys took these sells, right? These weren't worth it for me. It was, you know, it was 18 pip range. Just not worth it for me. But yeah, yeah, it wouldn't surprise me, man, if gold just continues to push up. I mean, I'm speechless. Got burned twice yesterday trying to sell. Yeah, disappear for 6 months and focus on yourself. It really will help. It really will. I just disappeared. My boys are like, yo, where'd he go? 6 months later, I didn't even come back. He's just gone. Like the wind. Just watch until Monday? Yeah, sounds great, man. Yeah, there's no stopping gold, man. It's gonna rip up and up and up and up. Will it come back? Oh yeah. Next week? Yeah. Don't even try and push it too much on a Friday. US 30 closed no bottom wick. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here today too, actually. Take a look at NAS and US 30. All right, let's take a look at NAS here. Let's do a quick analysis on the daily. So daily candle looks like it did create support yesterday. So we did end up closing bullish here, right? A nice exhaustion wick here too to the downside. We closed bullish, we juiced up. I mean, look how high we went, right? And then we kind of rejected there. So that to me looks more of like a rejection wick than an actual wick to fill, but looks like we are pretty bullish for the most part here. So I am bullish on NAS. 4 hour is looking like it's coming up to this resistance level now. So 4 hour candle did a really good job here at filling that wick, and now we're coming into that overall like resistance level here. So we'll have to see how she reacts to this zone here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour and see what's the deal. So yeah, so you got a resistance that we're coming into here on the 1 hour. And then you have another one right here. So let's see how we react. You may pop into this range for a little bit and do a little range, and then kind of we can mark off, hey, buys above here, sells below support, but we don't have that support just yet. So let's take a look at the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, the 30-minute is showing a lot of signs of potentially getting weaker and weaker to the top side right as we get in that resistance zone here. So potential fades. I mean, you are pretty bullish, so maybe I think it would be best to probably wait on a closure. Yeah, at least wait on a closure below here before taking any sells on NAS. Otherwise, price probably continue just ripping up here. Yeah, you might get a little pullback, might be short-lived, and then right back up. But I would wait for 930 here on NAS. Let it range a little bit. You got clean traffic on the way down, really clean ranges on the way up too. Yeah, just a lot of rejections here to the top side right now. So maybe we need volume, right, to come in. I think that the bigger set of volume is going to come in around 9:15, 9:30. So we might just hang out, reject that zone for a little bit, and then start to make a move. Green. How we feeling, Green? message TK. That just give him a little bit. Give him like 2 hours. Green, how we feeling today? One of the bigger differences from the futures chart and the OANDA chart that you may be looking at is going to be the 4-hour closure. So that's usually the biggest difference. Other than that, you know, outside of the price number, it's typically the same, you know, price action. Yo, what up, Zach? How are you, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. What you guys got, man? You guys got any questions here today? Or are we just gonna watch gold move up? Let's make the stream educational and productive. What you guys got? Any good questions? Business, trading, personal growth and development, leadership, I don't know, investments, books. What y'all want to talk about? Watch with tears going up. We'll just sit here and just watch gold like this. Just crying. Just crying. I found a Harley. Oh. Oh, man. Harley. It's hard to refuse a Harley, man. What up, Bill Terp? What's goody? Shiro, you have returned from Wakanda. Travis, Shiro has returned from Wakanda. What up, Shiro? How you doing? He's back. Bring us some superpowers, Shiro. Talk about the season of waiting. Yeah, you know, it's just a law, you know what I mean? I mean, just think about anything. You look to get in good shape, you look to plant a garden, you know, anything and everything takes time, right? And a lot of times the waiting is very frustrating. You know, it could be very depressing and devastating, and sometimes it's, you know, you're right there and then you fall back, and you're right there and you fall back, and it's just like time and time again. And you know, that's where, like I told you guys the other day, where Mr. V began to teach me about the waiting and about the sowing and the reaping and about all that. And whether you're trying to build your body, whether you're trying to plant a plant, you know, a seed, it takes time, you know. And you know, it's cliche, but when that seed goes in the ground, it's dirty, it's dark, you know. And a lot of times that's how the waiting is, you know. That's how the waiting be sometimes. It's very lonely, you know. It's wet and damp and nasty, so it thins out the herd, you know, like Xander said yesterday. It really does. That's why 98% of people are not successful, because they're just not willing to wait, right? They're not willing to work in the waiting season. And I like to call it aggressive patience. Just being committed, walking by faith, not by sight, being aggressive in your work ethic, aggressive in your approach, but patience in your results. You know what I mean? You will be rewarded. The Bible states, I mean, there's truth, right, that backs it up, that states that you will be rewarded. The harvest will be there for you, but you got to take care of that seed. You know, you got to take care of yourself when you're in that waiting season, and get around the right mentors and the right groups and read the right books. Otherwise, you'll continue to go back to your way of thinking. So you need something to help you, and a lot of times that, you know, you got to dig deep in personal growth and development and really, really give it your all. And you know, eventually it will come, right? Eventually the seed does pop out. Eventually the tricep does pop out. You know, the bicep does pop out, but it takes time. You know, it takes time, and you've got to cultivate a great environment for growth. You can't just throw the seed in there and just hope it works, right? We talked about goal setting this week. Goals aren't hopes. They're not maybes. They're not maybe I can do it. No, goals are legit, like expectations, right? Some of you guys we had an example, right? Some of you guys know exactly what you're doing for Christmas Day already, or Thanksgiving's coming up, but let's take Christmas for example. Some of you guys, you know exactly what you're doing already, as if nothing can interrupt that, and you know for sure you're gonna be there, but you don't know for sure if you're gonna hit one of your goals, right? You don't think of it like that. So how many things can go wrong between now and Christmas to get you off track to where you have to be? A lot, right? But you don't consider that. You just say, well, you know, I'll be at my mom's house on Christmas Day. How come you can't speak that confidently about your goal? So goals are not, you know, maybes, right? They will 100% be done, but you got to be willing to do the work to get there. You know, there's something that's required to everything. So you got to do the work that's required, and you know, again, sometimes it's tough and lonely, and not a lot of people are going to be on your side, but you got to do it anyway. When the going gets tough, the tough get going, and the only reason they're tough and they get going is because they know where they want to be. They know where they're going. If you don't know where you're going, you're going to get knocked down and stay down. What? This seems good. I guess I'll relax here for a little bit. Nope. The guy on a mission, he gets knocked down, he gets right back up. Don't got no time to wait here. Don't got no time to be worrying about this. Some of you guys want freedom, or you want to retire your wife so bad, but you know, you're here, you know, feeling bad about stupid stuff. Worrying about this guy or that guy and this thing and that thing. You don't have time to worry about that, G. You know, you just got to get up and keep going. What's been my biggest accomplishment in my life? Wow. So this one's going to sound weird coming from a trading live streamer, right? It might come out of nowhere, but I think my biggest accomplishment, I know my biggest accomplishment in life is the fact that, you know, people's spiritual life is better. People are awakening right now, and people are speaking about Jesus in South Africa. People are thinking about Jesus in Denmark, in London, in China, in India, in Pennsylvania, in Florida, right? All because of the live stream. So I think that's been my biggest accomplishment by far, and the only one I'm really proud of. In Germany, in Minnesota, right? Thinking and pondering upon an awakening in their spiritual life. In Texas, all over the world, man. In Asia, Africa. So that's been my biggest accomplishment, and that may sound a little bit weird coming from a day trader, but it is what it is. Yeah, exactly. We're all over, man. All over. Vietnam, they're thinking about Jesus. Praise God. Sweden, Spain. It's a beautiful thing. So that's my biggest accomplishment in my life. Good question. Let's see. If someone's in debt and left a job, been trading for a few months, making a living out of it, but the fear of the market gets him, and he feels like he's getting back to having to go back to a job again because he has to support his family. At the same time, he knows that he's doing okay with trading, and if he keeps doing, he could do a lot better. How could I fight this dilemma? You got to keep going, man. You got to, if you're worried about money, it's okay to go back and get a job. Right? That may not be what you want to hear, but if you're running low, it's all good, bro. It's all good to go back and get a job to make sure that there's peace among your household currently while you go get the job done in your trading. So if the trading's not holding up and you're running out of income, there's no shame in going back and doing whatever you have to do to continue to keep the fire burning for your family's dreams and goals. So maybe you could figure out a way, if you really feel like that, to find a job that can kind of coincide with trading, and you can feel much better, peace of mind financially. Indonesia, Croatia. Holy, praise God. South Africa. Kenya, Jersey. Amen. Amen. And it's really not a work that's done by me, man. It's like I've told y'all from day one, the only reason we've popped so much, in my opinion, is just, this was all put together in prayer a long time ago. So Nigeria, the Bahamas, the UK. I love it. Ho Chi Minh City. Holy. Oh man, don't make fun of me. I had to read that. Oh, Fort Lauderdale. W. $30 close your back for sells? No way, Jose. Not me today. Nope. The only way I'm taking sells is right below here. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Amen. Somali in the house. Yeah, if I'm taking sells, I'm not taking fades, I'm not taking onions. I need like closures below new ranges. Yeah. Probably support would be made for us. Yeah, I'd rather wait on support. Like, I'd rather let this move down, go, and whatever it needs to do, and then create support for buys. My birthday? Every day's my birthday, man. Yeah. What am I shooting in golf now? I'll let you know next week. I haven't properly tracked it, to be honest, over the last few games. Yeah, support at the bottom of the range would be nice. Everything we already drew up. Remember everything I drew out an hour ago? That's still what I'm waiting on. Nothing's really changed. How you doing? Do you change your approach? Do you change your risk approach when in drawdown, especially in a challenge? Yeah, if I have to. If I have to. Yep. Yeah, ask me next week, because I'm going to play like 3 rounds of golf between now and next week. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Am I in yet? In what? In what? Hello, Sebastian. Can you explain the onion trade setup? Yeah, so an onion is just a buy off as a support or a sell off resistance, right? So basically an onion would be, let's say we come down, right? We kind of push down here, and all of a sudden down here, we create a support, aka we get a bullish closure here, right? At this level of support. This is what we just call the onion. So basically when we're, this will be our confirmation candle, the bullish closure, and then the trading candle will be the next one. Right, so this will be your confirmation candle here, and then that'll be the trading candle. Yeah, that's the onion. Think you're doing the fade? Alright, best of luck. Best of luck. What's up, Lights Fire? How are you, man? Yeah, onion's a good move. It is. Really good. Excess right now? Damn. You're gonna make me go get one, dude. Can you explain the inverted celery? Yeah, so the inverted celery is something like, let's say like, again, so coming down here, right? Let's say you get these candles to move down, right? And then the next candle, it moves down, right? But it ends up kind of like pushing all the way back up, right? And closing back above the range. So the end of the candle will typically look something like this. So anytime that's the case, this is where I look to take a buy. So I'll look to, so although we don't have that bullish closure yet, like the onion, right? During high times of volume, while we're waiting for that onion or that support to be formed, a lot of times price isn't going to just sit tight like that and close for us. You know, it's going to make that move during volume. So this is where we take an impulse entry, aka just take the entry as this candle here breaks the high of the previous one, and that's the trade. So anytime you see like remember, a celery play looks like what? Like this. So forget about all this, right? Right? This is a celery play. Like, this is what we know a celery play as, right? You come up and close above the range, right? So just think of that. That's a celery. So this is just one in the opposite direction. So this is one where if we're bullish and price is coming down off of a pullback, we're going to take that celery there. But because it's coming from the downside and not the upside, it looks like this instead. Does that make sense? So the entry would take place right here, right on the break of this high here. Impulse entry without any like confirmation closure. Yeah. Which time frame? They usually work best on the, so it depends on which time frame you're getting your bias from. So the way I like to trade is I like to get my bias off the 4 hour, right? So off the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to look to get my bias, and then all these like celery, onion breakouts, I'll look for them on like the 15/30 minute time frame. So if you're getting a bias off the 4 hour, then I think this is good for execution. Yeah, if you look at most of the trades I've taken recently, you will see that they've pretty much all been 15-30 minute, and that's because at some point in this year we shifted and we started to grab our bias off of the 4 hour instead of the daily, in which we were doing before. So if you see, everything is right, most of them are going to be 15-30 minute time frames. Here and there you got a 1 hour, but the bulk of it is going to be, look at this, look at all these 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. So I would say most of my execution gets done off of those time frames. 30 minutes probably my favorite, but 15 I really do enjoy using, especially during high times of volume. How many strategies do I have in the playbook? I wouldn't call them strategies. I would just call them like setups. So I got like 4 different setups. That's pretty much it. Yeah, we did a really good video. I think you guys would get a lot out of the Playbook 2.0 video that I did. If you guys want to catch up on Robert Kiyosaki and that book I was telling you about, you can watch some of that. But yeah, I would recommend checking out the video I did on the Playbook. This one right here, the Playbook 2.0. This will walk you through my entire playbook, my system, and then if you guys are in the clubhouse, we did some really in-depth webinars about higher time frame, lower time frame correlation and all that good stuff. But yeah, check this video out. I put a lot of time. This is a 43-minute video. There's a lot of nuggets in here, a lot of nuggets, not just technical nuggets, but mental, mindset, psychology, you know, the way to approach things. It's a good quality video, but you got to block out some time to watch it. KG. Like this wick? Nah, not really. Plus, either way, there's a support right here. And then there's more support right here. So to take a sell here wouldn't really be that wise. Let's go, Logan. I like that. W. Yeah, if you guys are in the clubhouse, then you have access to all those webinars. So we've done a bunch of webinars that are in the clubhouse. But recently we did a 2-part webinar of higher time frame, lower time frame correlation. So, and that's our system right there. That's what we do, right? We get our buys from the higher time frame. We look to execute on the lower time frame. So understanding how to correlate those is extremely important, right? If you're gonna do what we do, like the way we do it. So we did a 2-part webinar on that. We took 2 weekends to do that. The next one we did was trade management and risk management. We did a 2-part webinar on that as well. And then I think the last one was goal setting. Yeah, goal setting. So the technical analysis webinars are in there. But you know, if you're on YouTube also, then definitely check out the playbook video. See, higher time frame, right? Lower time frame. So this is the 4-hour typically. This is like 15-30 minute. Yeah. Check it out. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. 14,000 views, man. And yeah, I made it about 3 months ago. Yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow's webinar. We're doing weekly webinars in the clubhouse every Saturday. So every Saturday afternoon we link up, we get together, whole squad. Daniel's in there getting fades. What you were doing over there, bro? Some air squats? Some push-ups? W. My guy's a savage. Let's go. Yeah, so we're coming back down towards like support now. So I'm getting a little bit more interested. If we can come down here and plant support somewhere. Well, would you look at the buys all support? Yeah, I might be interested. Yep. I like to see us come a little lower so we can get a little bit more range. Who's my trading mentor? Mainly Raja. He's I think he's like the closest. So if you look at any other trader out there like that you can find, I think me and him have more of like I think I'm closest to his style than anybody else's. Yeah, I basically learned under Raja for like 2 years and, you know, eventually started going out there, getting my own experience and taking my own trades, and kind of just took what he taught me a little bit about, you know, what Don was talking about when it came to technicals, and yeah, just kind of put my own strategic approach together, and that's what you see. Oh, awesome, AJ. Hey, love you too, man. W. Chola. Rafi's in the house. What up, Rafi? How you doing? Buy now? Is that a legitimate signal? If it's legit, I'll buy now. Is it legit? Don't make me go in a drawdown, man. Should I do it? I'm Serious, I'll buy if you tell me to. Oh no, Nico's in the cell? I can't bet against him. Holy. There's TK. What up, what up? What up, what up? Yeah, so look, so if you, let's say we close below here. So 15-minute time frame, right? So this is 9 a.m. to 9:15. The next candle will be 9:15 to 9:30, right? So if 9:15 to 9:30 can close back in the range, then we know we have volume coming in at 9:30, and that's where we should see a move up. So if this comes into like reality, then that's my position here today. If we don't close below, right, there's maybe one other option here. So if we don't close below, and neither does the next one, and we get that inverted celery that we were kind of talking about, then I'm also open to taking buys on the break of that high, like we explained earlier, right, to fill that range. So those are my two visions there. He meant buy now. What up, Coach Carter? Good to see you. How are you? Hey yo, don't be pushing TK around like that. He'll check. He said, yo, I wanna freak out. TK, I've DM'd you on Discord. Don't worry, man, he'll get to it. Just did a set of 20 push-ups, 10 burpees, body's on fire, let's go. Yeah, I did almost a 40-minute sauna session today. Oh man, it was lovely. Lovely. Yes, that's right. That's right. Good mind, good body, bro. What confirmation for sell? Sells would be much, I like sells much better if we can get like a break and retest to go down. Because this is where fake outs could take place on this extremely bullish day we got here. And when I say extremely bullish, I mean extremely bullish. My one thing here is that we don't have a wick at the bottom, right? But that seems to not matter here on gold over the last couple weeks. So we'll see. We'll see. I think that's down here. Yeah, down here. So our target just happens to be that that daily candle coming down to make a bottom wick. Next competition. Yeah, next competitions are gonna start. Gang, I encourage you guys to sign up for the future competitions. We're gonna be doing some pretty awesome things. We got some private jets in the mix for the winners of the next competitions, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So if you guys want to hang out and ride private, we're gonna fly you out to Florida. We're gonna jump on a private jet. We're gonna go hang out for the weekend, and yeah, so we'll see who the top dogs are. Yep. Will you be here in Florida to meet me and Austin Silver, the owners of Top One, and to cruise on a private jet with us? All for free. All you gotta do is use your skill set to be top dog in the competition. I'm excited. I'm excited to see who it is. Spidey is in the house. What up, Spidey? Spidey. We're sending the PJ. When is the sign up? The sign up is... The sign up is... I think the 4th. 4th of November, I think? Yeah? Yeah? TK? Maybe? Yeah, I think it's the 4th. I'll let you guys know 100% on Monday. Let me get everything dialed in. Yeah, don't worry. You'll have a whole week. You'll have a whole week's worth of time to get everything organized. Yeah, don't worry. We won't shortcut it like last time. Yeah. Cool, cool. Yeah, anyone else down to ride on a private jet? I mean, I've never rode on a private jet before. So you guys will be coming with me on my first private jet, first winners. We'll be sharing the experience together. Lights fire. Is it gonna be you? Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna meet you on the PJ with a whole case of excess. Just for you. Nice and frosty. Give you the money. What money? What money? Tell him to give me my money. Tell him to give me my money. Yo. I think we're going to do that to Anna's mom when she gets here. Anna's mom's coming for like a little bit next week. We got to hit her with that, man. We have to. She's like a Dominican lady too, you know, like broken English. Tell him to give me my money. We got to hit her with it. But what you talking about, Willis? What money? What money? Yo, we should have everyone meet her at the airport, bro. Yeah, don't worry. We're gonna keep doing the competitions. Rafi, tell me not. I think we gotta do it to her mom, bro. Tell her to give me my money. You guys have seen that, right? You guys seen that little meme going around, that little prank? Oh. Let's take a look. NAS juice box here. No bottom wick there on the 1 hour, huh? Did we take anything in London? Nah, we didn't. We had a couple looks, but no wicks on the top. It was like 3 looks that we were trying to get. So right here, no wick at the top. Right, I think it was this one or this one. No wick in the top. This one, yeah. So it was yeah, nothing. We had some opportunities. Like we had the structure we were looking for, but no wick on the top. And glad we stayed out. All right, cool. So if 915 to 930 now closes back above the range, then we may have a pretty nice trade here on our hands. Right? So we're very bullish here on the day. If the candle breaks the high here and closes back above, then there's a high chance that we can move back up in the zone here. So we will see. Gold, yeah, the buyers, they're getting shaken out. What up, Ben Zina? What trade should I take, man? I'm gonna take it right now. Tell me what to do, brother. Tell me what. Tell me what. Give me a good trade. Give me a good trade. Talk to me, bro. Talk to me. Let me know. Give me a signal, man. Help me out, bro. Help a brother out. Short? Alright, we're going short right now. What should I do? One contract, two contracts? Two contracts. We're in there, bro. Where's my stop? Where should I put my stop loss? Hurry up, man. Come on, coach. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where's my TP? Where's my stops? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. Come on. Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. I'm about to close this. I'm about to close this and take, let's take, the long. That Chingozi. Chingozi. I don't know, man. Chingozi Opera. Yeah. I might get in his long real quick. His name seems like he might be a better trader. Ben! Where the hell are you, bro? Hurry up. Bro. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, no. I knew I should have maybe waited for this closure above for the fake out on this extremely bullish day on gold. Do I hold this? Do I not? Ben, this is this. You got me in this predicament now, man. It's costing me 540 bucks. Ben, it's a tough crowd here today too, man. I really hope this thing breaks the lows here. All right, should I hold this or what should I do? Can you give me a stop loss, a TP, something? It's a day off. Whoa. Now you're taking a day off. I'm in. I'm already in. Sheesh. My boy left me hanging. I might have to close this, bro. Come on, drive for me. Damn. Ben's coming back when this thing breaks the lows. He hit the Homer Simpson move real quick. All right, once this breaks the lows, we should hear back from Ben. Until then, I'll probably just, I guess, hold it because he hasn't given me a stop loss yet. $3,000 for the course. Send it over, bro. Send it to me in Discord. I'll check it out. Send it over now. I'll buy it. No joke. Especially, dude, if this thing hits support, I'll buy that thing right now. Here we go. He's back. Here comes Ben. There, now I got a stop loss. All right. Now that we're re-breaking the lows. Where? 2709. Bro, what? You mean TP? 2709. Oh yeah, that's my TP too, bro. Word. Hey, send me the link to the course. I want to check it out. The Ben 8000. Yeah. Let's go, Ben. Ben, I'm about to get you a bunch of course sales here if this thing drives, bro. Looks good. Nice breakout. Will we need the range too, or will it drive? Uncle Ben. Anybody else take Ben's signal? Anyone? Wait, no, I'm the only one? No. Alright, man, you're gonna see me win this, watch. Give it some time to cook, give it some time to cook. We got volume coming in. Let's go. It's not a part of the plan. Hey, anything that's lining up with Ben's plan, I figured he said sell now, so. Ah, man. Ben, you owe me 627 bucks, bro. At least send me half of it. At least send me half, bro. I knew I should just stuck to my plan, waited for a fake out or something. Oh, man. Nah. Luckily, that was on a practice account. Luckily, that was on a practice account. All right, 5 minutes for the closure here. Hey. I'll be right back. BRB. We have some fun here on this lovely Friday. BRB. right. Have to grab me a root beer XS. Haven't had this one in a minute. Hey, Ecom Dre celebrating Halloween here. Keep copying the signals. No, it wasn't on a real account. It was on a practice account. Come on. What y'all think I'm rich? You think I got money like that? Damn. Hey, send me the course though, Ben. I will check it out. Damn, Louis G messed up his combine. Give me your number. I'll call you. 845-642-99. Wait, hold on, Ben. Hold on. Whoa. There's too many people on here. Almost forgot where we were for a minute. Give me your number, Ben. Don't call me. I'm gonna call you. Green. Yeah. Oh man. All right. Yeah. So we'll see what's gonna happen here. 52 seconds. On this candle. You got 930 coming. The sells are looking pretty good, you know, all kidding aside and stuff. There's a support here like 26 pips away, so you kind of got like this little celery play getting ready to happen here. Let's take a look at the 30 closure here. So 30, I'm sticking to my plan here. I'm not taking sells until we get a range 2 or we get below here. Sticking to my plan today. He put his phone. Mad heads are putting their phone. Green puts his Cash App. Hey, if you feel like sending Green some cash today, just there's his Cash App. Green, I like the 50-50. 50-50 split. Pin the comment. Oh man. All right, so this is an area in which we could potentially fake out, right, on a bullish day like today. Is right here. So I have plans for range 2 sells below there, just in case there's going to be a fake out that wants to occur here. Other than that, I like the break retest, and anything below here looks pretty solid for sells. Other than that, I'm still bullish. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the buys too. Yeah. What's up, Pia Magnifico? How you feeling, bro? What up, TT fam? What's good? What's good? How we doing? Yeah, so if the sells do play out here, that's fine. I'll just let these go. I'm still bullish until we really get below here, or we get some sort of like break and retest. So it's fine if we come down, right? If we can come kind of create a new resistance and then close below this range, then I'll look to be bearish here. But until then, you know, we could juice right back up. The celery, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do this. But yeah, it's there, but it's going against the bias. Where's my man Johnny Gems? Johnny Gems, where is he at? NQ sells. Let's take a look at NAS. Ooh. Popped right back up here, huh? 930, just a quick push down. Just do sells, set and forget. Energy went on a trip. Yeah, she's on a trip with her family. I think she's gone. She went for like 10 days. What about US 30? What are we doing here? Sheesh. Oh, that would have been money. No wick at the bottom there. Well, that probably saved a lot of traders anyway from this breakout. Man said, wait, energy been a girl the whole time? Energy is I think she was like the first female elite member. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yo. Yeah. Hey, I'll be right back. Gold flying. Gold flying. Makes sense. Makes perfect sense. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah, if this candle would have closed above, I'm in there. Gold trolling options. I don't know, man. Just like the YouTube algorithms trolling on options, dude. I did some detective work and I can't figure out why options keeps getting banned. Or not banned, but invisible or whatever it is. TK, we might have to hire a private investigator for this matter. What up, options? The Yeeza, what's happening? How are you, my friend? Good to see you. Good to see you. Been awesome. How you been? Good to see you. Yeah, this makes total sense for gold. The sells, I don't know what was going on. Oh, let me go back to this. So, yeah, I don't know what was going on with those sells, eh? So that's another reason why you don't just take. I just wanted to do that to show you guys an example. Like, you don't just take. Some of you guys look at people in the Discord. You go, oh my god, that guy's so amazing, right? Because he posted one trade or one trade that worked out. You know, you really want to. And nothing wrong with, like, obviously this has nothing to do with the person who mentioned to sell or anything like that. You know, this is just the idea around it is like, you know, you want to really start thinking for yourself as a trader. Some of you guys are here waiting for me to take a trade, right? And maybe you like to buy, but you didn't do it, right? So I'm really encouraging you guys to become your own independent trader. Don't just take people's trades, even my trade, right? Don't just take trades that I take. I'm taking my trades. They're my trades. You know what I mean? They're good trades. I believe they're all pretty good. I mean, I never go into a trade looking to lose, right? But if a trade doesn't make sense to you that I'm taking, I wouldn't take. You know, if Raja's taking a trade and it doesn't make sense to me, I wouldn't take that trade. You know, no matter who he is. So, yeah, just become your own independent trader. Yo, hey, we got a lot of friends here today. We got Shiro popping in. We got the Yeeza in the house. We have I think we have one or two more, right? Let's go. Let's go. Hey, how have you been though, Yeeza? Yes, you gotta plan your trade your plan, right? That's why I stuck to the whole, like, I'm only taking sells below here today, right? Because these are all fake out areas. All this down here, this all where the fake outs could take place. Doing better? Hey, well, that's great. I'm glad to hear you're doing better than you were when we last spoke. Lovely, lovely, lovely move up, just as anticipated. Working on stuff on and off the charts? Yeah, lovely, lovely. Yeah, you get things right off the charts, you know, coincidentally, things just start happening right on the charts. Pretty funny how that works. What's up, Adrian Freedom in the building? What up, Jeremy? What's up, guys? Also, if you trade your own trades, you know how to manage it. Yeah, exactly. Like, nothing wrong with coming here, building a foundation, and, you know, learning from my trades. And look, again, you know, if we trade the same style, probably 85 to 90% of the time, you and I are going to agree on the same exact thing, right? But then there's going to be, you know, that 10 or 15% of the time where, you know, we may not agree. We may be using different ranges, and you know, if you just bank on someone else, I mean, there's no, you know, there's no independency there. So yo, let's go, Ricky. W, man. W. Nice 10K payout, man. That's awesome. Yep, that is amazing. You do a lot with 10K. There goes Goldie. Why we didn't take the impulse? Or why I didn't take it? Or why you didn't take it? I didn't take it because I was waiting for a 15 closure above the range. We never got that. So the rule was, if we close back above, then I will take a buy. But that didn't happen. Gold could make a new high? Absolutely. Gold probably will make a new high right here. We'll probably juice all the way up. Explain why you did not call in gold. What do you mean? Like take the trade? Which one? Buy, sell? Which trade? There's a bunch of trades, bunch of stuff here. You talking about this buy? Yeah, same thing as I just said. The 15 closure had to be above. This closure right here wasn't above. It was below. So remember the plan we drew up an hour and a half ago, where we said, hey, if we come down, right, and then we close back above, then I'll take a buy. So we came down, but we never closed above. So that's why I'm not in. You took it? Nice. $24.74. $24.74. Oh, $27.24. My bad. $27.24. What do you mean? Oh, the break of the highs? Yeah. Didn't fit my plan. I operate on a if this happens, then I'll do that. So if this candle closed above, then I will take a buy on the next candle. But it never happened. I can honestly care less for a trade today anyway. Coming off a red week, I'm chilling. Got a couple new accounts. I'm just here for a good time. Just here for some vibes today. I'm here to take some signals from the chat. Let's go. Someone give me another signal. Let's take it on the practice account. Yeah, too bullish on the day to fade this. Yep, absolutely. Would you just have waited for a bottom wick on the next candle, or is it better to wait for a bearish close respecting support followed by the break of the high? On this, wait for this buy position here. Would you just have waited for a bottom wick on the next candle, or is it better to wait for a bearish closure? I'm not sure where you mean, brother. My bad. Who got a signal? Who's got a signal for me? I want to be in the chat today. One of you guys come up here and host. Yeah, this buy. So if this, are you? I don't know what you mean. I mean, can you ask it again? Like, close back in the range, bearish. Well, this candle wouldn't be able to close back in the range, bearish, right? Because if it's gonna close up here, it has to be bullish. You know what I mean? Full margin, sell to 2,000. You'll retire? I already retired. Full margin. You're either retiring or you're going back to work. Sell gold now? Ah, man. I don't want anything to do with that decision. If you want to sell gold now, sell gold. I am not that guy today. Trust me. I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
I know.
You're not that guy.
Nope. Yeah, sells for me are not good until 27.17 is closed below. This is the only range I want sells in today. Otherwise, you get faked out anywhere in this whole area here. I'm not that guy to be calling fades on a day like today. Can you check my levels? I sent in Zoom chat. Oh, my bad, bro. Let me check. Let me check. Where is it? Where is it? How come I don't see it? Buy Euro USD. All right, let's take the buy. I'm begging on high risk to feed my family. Okay, what I mean is the bearish close below the range. Okay, this candle here. Then a close back in the range. Yes, okay, so now we got this candle here. So now we close back in the range. Then a sort of pullback closing bearish that stays within the range, sort of establishing structure, then a break of the high. So like, oh yeah, like a celery play. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I would have been definitely would have been interested in that. So this candle closes bearish but above. Absolutely. Absolutely. That would have been a great position to take. Yep. Next candle, break the high. That's your entry. And up, up, up we go. Yeah. So if that would have took place, I definitely would have liked that. Where can I find that song on Discord? I think it's in Trader's chat room. We gotta pin that, man. Later, 11th hour. I'll see you later, man. Enjoy the meeting. Yeah, I think we have some news coming in, right? No, it's a little bit later. Yeah. DM me that song. Yeah, someone DM me the song too if you could find it. I can't go looking for it. Let's take some wheat shorts. I'm down. What's wheat? What's the abbreviation for wheat? Let's sell some corn or buy some corn today. Hey, we made a song for John too, by the way. Shout out to Hero of the Day. Lazy J selling the news, y'all. Lazy J. There he is. What's up, Lazy J? What's the J stand for? It's my pleasure, born to be great. It's an honor, man. It's an honor. Why didn't I take the buys? Because I was waiting for a closure to I was waiting for a candle to close above the range. That's okay. You see, I work my patience muscle out all day, every day. Because when someone new kind of pops in, they didn't hear the answer before, you know, a few minutes ago. But yeah, I was waiting for a closure above the range on the 15-minute time frame for price to move up, and the closure never happened above; it happened below. Therefore, I was gonna just chill. Markets really got to convince me, man. I got beat up this week. I got a little beaten this week. Had to pay the fee. So I'm basically just chilling here today. If it's there, it's there. I'll take it, but I'm not taking anything that doesn't fully line up with what I want. How did I start TTE? I just started, brother. I just started. I had a passion for trading. I started trading online. On the side of that, I had a passion for pouring into people and serving people and helping them. And I have a message to share, and that message has just inspired me to show up every day and pour value. And, you know, when you pour enough free value into people and it starts helping them and changing their lives, that's how things start to grow. So, yeah, that's kind of how it came about. Just show up every day, be consistent, and yeah. Yeah, your heart's got to be in it, you know. It takes a lot of effort to show up day in, day out. If it's trading, it takes a lot, you know. I have the utmost respect for any trading streamer or anyone who trades in front of others. It's not easy to do. Trust me. Trust me. It may look easy. It may look easy here. It may look easy on some of these other streams, but I got mad respect for people who will put their trading on the line, put it in front of people, put it up for judgment, and just trade, you know, with the genuine, you know, will to teach people. But it's not easy. We going up or down? I don't know. That's why I'm staying out. It's okay to not know. You know what they call that? Just sitting out. Sitting on your hands. They call it staying flat out there on Wall Street. Staying flat today. We're staying flat today. Am I addicted to trading? No way. Look, I don't have to trade. I'm here right now. I've been sitting here for a couple hours. Nothing. Some of y'all took like 10 trades already. Blew 2 accounts. Halfway through the drawdown on your other one. All to mess around with gold all-time highs on a Friday. Where's DiCaprio? I don't know, man. He's decapping. He's decapping. He said he was going to pull up from New York. I said, stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Told him. Have I watched any other live streamers? Not really. Just Don and Raja for a bit. I've poked in on a few. I used to watch Sam Capital. You guys know Sam Capital? Yeah, I used to watch Sam's live stream. That's how I met Sam. I actually enjoyed his stream. His stream was good. He's a good trader. What else? My boy Lorenzo. Sometimes I'll pop in on his stream, but in terms of like streaming, like focused on learning from a streamer, nah, it was just Rajan Don. How to deal with emotions when you lose? It's kind of like dealing with a strikeout. When you go up to the plate and you're hoping to get a base hit, or you're hoping to hit a home run, or you're hoping to push the team forward somehow, but you just happen to strike out, you know? You just got to walk back to the dugout and wait for your next at bat. That's all. No need to have emotions, man. If you're not over risking, if you're not over trading, losses shouldn't beat you up too bad. DiCaprio. Seven accounts in 2 days. Oh my god, and I was gonna take that signal from you? Holy. Hey, you were right on it though. I did like your idea. Am I still a Zoom user? No, you are not. Now I see you, Luke. All right, now we got it. Lovely name, by the way. Much better than Zoom user. How is it in the clubhouse? Clubhouse is great. Yeah, it's every stream. So Asian session, we hang out for like 2.5 hours. London session, we hang out for like 2-3 hours, and then after we finish up the YouTube live stream, we hang out for a couple hours. We do webinars on the weekend together. They're all recorded and stuff in the database. So yes, it's a good time. It's a good time. Yeah, if you guys aren't in the clubhouse and you guys want to join the clubhouse, just hit !clubhouse and it'll pop up for you. Got a great webinar going down this week. I can't wait to hear some feedback from some of you guys on last week's webinar. What about the overweighting to trade? Yeah, you know, like you have to wait for your signal. So once you really understand how the pros do it, the pros only act. So did you hear the choice of words that I used? What did I use? What words? I said, if this ... happens, then ... So you have to understand that what are you looking for in the markets, right? And if this takes place, so for instance earlier, like if this candle here closed above the range, then I would look to take a buy. So when you have a system and you know what you're looking for, now you have a very, very clean, distinct idea of what is yours and what isn't yours in the market. Not every look, do I know gold's going to move up today? Of course I do. Of course I do. Right? But am I just going to randomly enter into the markets? Absolutely not. Focus on just one setup. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Yep. Oh yeah, that was a little tacky. Yeah, a little low. Little low. Not a tweet I would have tweeted. How's life? Life is great, brother. Life is great. How's your life? What we got here? What we got here? What is this? What pair? 40. What pair is this? 40. Overweighting, yeah. So there's no such thing as overweighting because you'll wait until your setup comes. You know? You ever get in trouble for eating a little bit before dinner? Your parents, don't eat anything before dinner. Sometimes you just gotta wait for dinner to eat. Yo, what's up, Martin? How are you, bro? We got BTC pumping. I know, brother. I know. I told Anna you ain't gotta eat them Cheerios for much longer. TK, I'll see you later, brother. Talk to you later, man. Blessed and highly favored, man. Me too, bro. Me too. I'm glad we're on the same frequency. Feeling good? Feeling good after that payout? W. Yeah, we got more Clubhouse members getting funded here. Congratulations to Traders Next Door. Just got funded here, I think last night, right? Last night. Good job, good work, good work. We're seeing a lot of progress here. A lot of progress. Good. It's good to have like the same crew in the Clubhouse because you could just see the growth. All right, Harry. Later, my man. I will, yeah, I'll get some sleep. I'll get some sleep tonight. I'll see you Monday. Enjoy the weekend. All of you guys that are dipping out, enjoy the weekend. Hope you guys really do have a good weekend. Don't try and force anything here today in the charts, man. Just lay low. I know. BlackRock, man. They're in deep. Where's Travis? Is Travis still here? Travis, you seen BlackRock? The top, I think the top Was it the top 5 or the top 10 holders of BTC? None of them sold a thing. So if they ain't selling, you probably shouldn't be selling. My God, John really hit them sleep stops. That brother was out. Later, Ecom Dre. Have a great weekend, man. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow on the webinar. Enjoy, bro. Nice, Martin. Let's go. John, I'm about to go to his house right now and just blast this song right here. This song has a 1 or 2 curses in a gang. We're all responsible adults here. Don't send me no letters or messages. I know there's a curse in it. Yeah, once John gets here, or maybe I'll go to his house and just hit him with this. Raise his frequency.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch, go.
Yo, how much did I pay this guy to go show up to John's house? Pump him with that.
Time to wake up, bitch, get up.
About to raid this man's house.
Get up.
Nah, no lie, I like this guy.
Get up, get up.
Yo, dude's a vibe. Yo. Dude's a vibe. Should I go raid John's house like that? Right now? I wish it was like the 80s still, the 90s. Bring a big old boombox over there. SG80. It's tweaking. The guy's higher than gold right now. Yeah, you remember that, right, Travis? Mr. Hart, oh my God, I didn't even realize you were ground beef here today. I mean, a cow. Holy. I didn't even see that. Damn. It's frozen. That's my new alarm. Yo, hey, you're back from your meeting. Imagine that being your alarm. Hey, anybody got good plans this weekend? What's up, Oscar? James, good to see you, man. Good to see you. What up, DJ Scratches? Hey, DJ Scratches, you approve? You approve of this man? What's his name? His name is Mark Reblet? Mark Reblet? Live on stream. What's up, John Wayne? Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, so gold's gonna flirt around here. Back up here, nothing to really do. Oh, enjoy the pizza. Pizza. Looking forward to seeing you guys at the Time to Eat Meetup on the 25th, which is a week from today. 1 week from today, we all meet up in here in Tampa. If you guys plan on coming, please RSVP with the link in Discord. I think you can hit exclamation point Meetup right now if you guys plan on coming. If you're more than welcome, if you're coming from Florida or wherever, you guys are more than welcome to come hang out, pull up. We'll be chilling basically on the 25th all day, all throughout the evening. So come on over. Some quick real estate tomorrow morning. Okay, okay. Is John coming to the stream? He should be. That brother's sleeping. He hasn't texted me yet, so that tells me he's most likely sleeping. Yeah, BlackRock onto yeah, yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, hey, if I think I'm gonna have my buddy Colin jump on the stream at some point next week. If you guys are interested in any sort of crypto, these are the guys that I get my crypto information from. As you know, I never try and sound educated on this stuff. I just learn from some of these guys. You know, I just when they make moves, I make moves. They're good, solid individuals. They've really done well. So maybe I'll get Colin to jump on the stream next week, and he could let you know what's going on with crypto and their thoughts. And also, if you guys are looking to get into crypto mining as well, I know he has some opportunity there as well. So yeah, I'll have him jump on, and then if any of you guys are interested afterwards, you know, we'll chop it up and go from there. If not, no biggie. But I think we should put the opportunity out there, because some of you guys could probably use it, and it can also help your business. Could be a tax write-off at the end of the year. So yeah, we'll bring them in. We'll bring them in next week. Next week. Maybe on like Tuesday next week. Let's see. Yeah, maybe Tuesday. Yeah, I'll hit him up. I just hit him up. I'll see if he's good for Tuesday next week. Yeah, Colin's solid, man, all around. Colin, yeah. You coming to Europe? Probably next year in 2025. As long as my wife isn't pregnant again. Which, according to previous data, there could be a high probability that she will be. Alright, so let's just watch Goldie make all new highs here again. More history being created right in front of your eyes. There it is. Baby pips. Yeah, hey, I'm just going off previous data, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to predict the future, I'm just saying. Based off previous history data, the probabilities are kind of high. We're gonna max out the credit cards, and we're gonna. What was the other one? Yeah, I might have to go over to John's house, knock on the door. I'm getting worried about the homie. Man, don't sleep in this late. Been back testing. What am I waiting for? What's up, Bryce? I'm not trading today. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the week. I'm just chilling here today. Yeah, I was looking for some opportunities. If we would have closed above the range here, I would have took these buys coming up. But I'm just macking, brother. Just hanging out like the rest of you guys. Yes, that's right. John's girlfriend's back. Yeah, she moved in. So he's probably too comfortable. Good, man. Doing great. Doing great. What up, the Prather Trader? What up, what up? I'll see you next week. Next week, right? Yeah, coming. W, man. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing you. Yeah, we're not on gold, man. Not on gold. We don't want to take any sells. We don't even want to think about sells. I don't even want you looking at the sell button. Yeah, John did have crumble cookie, so he might be a little intoxicated from that. Crumble cookie mess around, give you a hangover. No joke. Later, Norbin. Have a great week, man. Ooh, I like that. You can come back from a no trading day, but you can't come back from a forcing trading day. Wow. W. Step 1 or step 2, I've been actually enjoying like the 1-step challenges. I mean, those are pretty cool because then you got, you have a little bit less leverage. But you're on that one phase, and very simply, instead of going to phase 2 and all that, and yeah, you get a little bit more leverage, but I like the phase 1. I think I recommend the phase 1 nowadays to people. Which prop firms do I recommend? I would recommend Top 1 Trader or probably Top Step. I haven't done Apex. I haven't done my futures funds or whatever. I haven't done like, any of the instant ones yet either. So I would probably just say those two. Maybe FTMO, but the pips you don't lose today are pips you made today. Whoa. Where are these quotes coming from? Gems coming from the chat today. How I started trading, I started trading because I was building a network marketing business for about 8 or 9 years, and I was doing well. I was growing personally. I was making some money, but not the amount I really thought I could be seeing with the amount of dedication and work and commitment that I had. When you're in a network marketing business, it's amazing. You know, it's a people business, but at the same time, it's a people business, right? So a lot of your success is going to be dictated by your group or by your team or, you know, whatever. So I thought, you know, I was committed enough and I should be seeing better results than I was. So I said, you know what, like, what else can I do, right? What else can I do that is like a single man sport? Something that like I can say, hey, I'm not where I am, or I'm not where I am based off of me, not off of the team. So I started looking around, you know, did a little like wholesale real estate, then got into solar a little bit. But all while that was going on, I started studying trading. And I thought to myself, you know, if I can just, you know, figure out these charts, there's no one, we don't need anybody else, just me and the charts. So if I know I'm willing to put in the work, I know I'm willing to commit and dedicate and study and do all that. So I just thought to myself, hey, this could be that opportunity for me to get what I'm worth, and, you know, not have it be dictated by the work of other people. So that's really what kind of got me into trading. And then, you know, struggled for a little bit, but once I found Raja, I really fell in love with, you know, trading and learning and doing all that. So I definitely have grown a passion for it at this point. And then once I, after about 3 years of trading, my passion for people came. Like, I loved the network marketing business because I loved helping people and being with people and having teams and all that. I just didn't want it to dictate my success, right? So once I found success with me in the markets, my love for people came back, and I said, hey, you know, how could I, you know, inspire people and serve people, you know, again? And that's where I kind of thought about the YouTube live stream, and the rest is history. Yep. Yeah, I heard Raja say things like, you know, the markets do the same thing over and over again. So once you learn it, you no longer, you know, you have to keep up with it a little bit, but once you learn what they do, there's only you get better from that point, right? The markets don't really get any better. You just get better at reading them. So that was music to my ears, because I knew, hey, I'm going to commit that much to the point where I understand, to where the market can't get out of my sight, you know, and I can get a good read on it and pull money from it. And yeah, that's what we did. I'm Raja to you. Nice. Yeah. How long was I struggling for? Never. I never struggled, man. You know, I mean, what is struggle, you know? How long did I have a tough time in trading? 2.5 years. 2.5 years. You know, where I wasn't getting the results. I found Raja about 2 years into my overall journey of trading. And it took me about 6 months to really click in with what he was teaching and talking about. And I really kind of messed up. Like, I ran the strategy for like 6 months, but just kept getting like beat up and taking losses. It's just because I didn't really understand the nuances and the details of it. But through experience and through chart time and through consistency, you know, I was able to learn all that. Yeah, I would say like 6 months after I found Raja, things really started to take a turn. Yeah, and I loved his slogan, man. His slogan was the last frontier or something. It was like unlearn to relearn, you know, like unlearn and relearn. And I just kind of like had a mental picture of that and just tried to get everything I already learned about trading out of my psyche and just fully lock in on. That's why I'm so committed to this playbook. It's because, you know, I really did get rid of everything. You know, I learned about RSI and MACD and Fibonacci and everything. trend lines and all the stuff that is really great to use. I didn't feel the need to use it after a while, but I learned about it all, you know, and then I just kind of wiped the slate clean and focused on candlestick trading. Later, Josh. Have a great weekend, man. It's my pleasure. Raja Banks, yeah, yep. Yeah, I think if there's any other trader out there that you can like YouTube that trades similar to me, it would probably be him, because I learned from him. You know, we don't trade exactly the same. No two traders do. But yeah, pretty much all the foundation was kind of developed through him, and then Don kind of helped me put up some names to the setups and some ideas and concept, you know, made it a little bit more clear for me. And then from there, I just took it and ran with it. My course? Yeah, my course is right here for free. If you really want to get deeper, you just join the clubhouse. That's all. Join the family. La Familia. Is it a good beginner course? I didn't really, I mean, I did take his course, but luckily for me, he was live streaming every day. So that was awesome. Up until he kind of moved out of Canada, he was live streaming like every day. Word Robinhood. Started using RSI a lot. Yeah, I would use RSI, MACD, hidden divergence, all that stuff. Canada Raja? Yeah, man. Canada Raja. Oh, man. That's when he was putting in the work. Yeah, man. Have I given my thoughts on what happened with Don? I don't know. You want to hear my thoughts? Who wants to hear my thoughts? Anyone? Look at you guys all going, getting ready to hit the keyboard. Yes. 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 Who wants to hear? Who wants to hear my thoughts? Anyone? To be honest, I don't know, brother. I don't know. I'm so caught up in my own mission, in my own life, in my own community that I have no idea what happened. I think I just know as much as you guys. Other than that, I haven't really thought about it at all. So I don't really have thoughts on it. It's pretty unfortunate for all parties. The broker I would suggest, if you're in the US, like Trade-O-Vate, that's the one I use for my personal capital. Yeah, Raja really did pave the way for the live stream and stuff. Yeah, I'm not too sure, gang. I don't know what happened. I know as much as you. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's pretty unfortunate just for all parties. But I don't really know. Hey, all I know is my Lele's here. This what I'm focused on. You know, the TT family, my family. I'm not really too into like anything else happening out there. Right, Lele? We just focused on our own pockets out here. Tell them no. We focused on our own pockets, our own economy. SMC? Yeah, I learned all that. Yeah, there is a cow up there. Yep. Yeah, I learned the SMC. I studied everything. I basically, for 2 years, I ran through everything. I know, I see it. He's a cow. He don't even move, that cow. look, they're saying, what's up, Lele? Say hi, everyone. Did I lose a lot at first? I lost about 32, 33 accounts in the first 2 years of trading. I would say about $18,000. 18, 20,000, somewhere around there. Money that I did not have to be losing. The more you know, the less you profit. That's true. That's true. So many people, they'll take a little losing streak and then they'll just try and learn more stuff. It's like, bro, don't learn more stuff. Just keep doing what you're doing. You can't let a little losing streak take you off your high horse. It's a cow, yep. Oh, nice vibes. Yeah. Yeah, for me it just this just made sense to me. I'm not the smartest guy, you know what I mean? So anything complicated, I like to simplify. So Raja really just simplified trading at another level, and I think that's why it clicked so much for me. The monthly stats wrong. What do you mean? I added the loss when you wanted me to add it before. Go back. Go look at the beginning of the stream. Go rewind and then now look at it. Come on, man. Tell him, Lele. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, it was a little too much. Yeah, like Travis said, a little too confusing for me with all the lines and graphs and all that stuff. I remember when I first heard of trading, I thought I would never do that. You gotta have like 19 screens up in your room and gotta be really good at math. I considered all those L's from my first years as tuition. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. You gotta, it's like, it is like tuition. You know, you gotta pay to learn. So just the same deal in college. You know, people go to college and they'll pay a whole bunch of money and they won't expect to make anything. But then they get into trading and they think, hey, well, I need to make money right away. But, you know, it don't work like that. You gotta learn the game first. Someone's not just going to hand you financial freedom from some signals channel. Not going to happen. I think we all go through the signals phase though. But if you're new to trading and you're in that signals phase right now, I would ditch it. I wouldn't really waste your money on it. I would much rather join something like a clubhouse. Like, I'm not the only trader that has these type of things, right? Other traders have those. Find out what trader you like best, and I would just join their live community, or, you know, join our free YouTube. You know what I mean? Don't even waste your money on signals. It's the cow. See him? Hey, one sec. I'll be right back. Gold creating support now? Oh, maybe in a little bit. No signs of any support right now. Some of y'all are like, yo, where's this guy coming up with all these kids? Yeah, this is Maverick. This is the man right here. He's gonna hang out with us for a minute. Got 20 left? 20 what? $20 left? 20 left of what? Dollars, maybe? John is good. He is good. He has rise. He is risen. Nick, can you explain? Oh, B-Dub got you to Jordan's highest profit. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, so it basically it trails with you as you grow. That's where I kind of made my mistake. Yeah, what up, Jay Woods? Yeah, man, Goldie just on the move. Someone actually made me take a sell earlier. Couldn't believe it. I did, yeah, I did. Yep. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It's actually better, probably. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna call it here though. Yeah, call it a day. It's Friday. Gold just moving on up, just like the Jeffersons. Yeah, I'll probably hang out in the clubhouse for, you know, a little while, and then call it. Buy or sell right now on gold? Brother, you tell me. You tell me. Please. I don't know. I don't know. Gonna take a 1 hour nap? I thought you were gonna take like a one. I thought you were about to say I'm gonna take a 1 hour, you know, like one of the setup positions. Hey, yeah, y'all have a great weekend. I think I'm gonna get up out of here. Unless you guys have any other incredible questions or anything like that, I think I'm gonna slide. It was a good day just to chill and watch history being made. Yeah, good conversation here today. Good talk, good talk. Yes, sir. Yeah, Zoomer. Yep. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out. I hope you guys have a great weekend. For those of you guys in the clubhouse, I'll see you all tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern. We'll do a part 2 of our webinar from last week. And yeah, everyone else have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. I wouldn't try and get in the way here on gold. Like, if you guys are, you know, if you haven't traded yet, just call it a day, man. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, enjoy your weekend. Later, Xander. Later, SG80. Later, guys. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Mods, appreciate you as always. Everyone else in chat, great job. If you guys are trading today, don't over risk, don't over trade, don't let Pac-Man get you on a Friday. Enjoy your profits if you got them. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Later, dudes. Peace. Peace, G's.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in
later,
that
guys.
mud.
See ya.
Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I prepping for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown on my problems, but God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned in chiller. My face blue still, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s. Walking through the pearly gates. Poppy do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving race. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break. Slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the dead see here. We the new Israel, Israel. God really lives here. Watch the sin here. Way more to tell. We begin here. We begin here. Put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gon' die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From coolin' with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay. Drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it Bluetooth. The only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Spinning with the drill, no wonder why my screws loose. Taking off and I can't stop, I beat them all by a landslide. Houdini, I popped out of that box even with hands tied. Big dog like Sandlot, but it's real life, no fantasize. Count money, a damn lie, my hands clean, no sanitize. Whoa, had to switch up on the flow, gotta keep them on their toes. I move quick, I make the most, why they copy what I wrote. Follow everything I post, never trip about a clone. Cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Yeah. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, hey, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in.
If you don't like me, better close your eyes, I'm about to shine. Or take a picture when you see me, cause I doubt you find another like me. Yeah, I'm one of one, no other son. The way I'm blazing, that's like the earth just got another sun. I did not even anti-social. Why you so sure? Cause I only be hanging with goats. So they never told you I'm a soldier, and you ain't got nothing on me. I be killing and grilling the rappers. I'm writing a cookbook for the homies. Don't hold me, I'm dangerous. You don't wanna take this risk. I don't play with kids. No, I am not on Epstein's list. I'm on my grown man team. You know, steady stacking the racks up. I got a hard drive, so if I fall, I'm going back up.
Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, okay, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay. be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the first flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
you could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the first flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion. On the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the first flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest.
You could be a girl, you could beat the world. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain.